أشرقت نفسي بنور من فؤادي حينما رددت يا رب العباد وانتشت روحي وصارت.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Aishah AN-NUR, and today I'm going to be telling you really good du'as, and they're like the best du'as ever. So let's go on the first one. The first one is like when you break the du'a for breaking your fast. It is ذهب الظمأ وبطلت العروق وثابت الأجر إن شاء الله. The meaning is the thirst is gone, the veins are moisture, and the reward is established. Inshallah means if Allah wills. So the next dua is the last 10 nights of Lailatul Qadr. It's when you say, because it could be in one of the odd nights, but you don't know. You don't want to take a big risk to it. So the dua is Allahumma innaka afuun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni. The meaning is, oh Allah, you are the most forgiving, and you love to forgive, so forgive me. So you're literally telling Allah to forgive you, because you're kind of like tricking him to forgive you because he loves to forgive. So forgive me. So the next dua is a really good dua. It's really good. So it is رَبَّنَا اغْفِرْ لِي وَلِوَالِدَيَّ وَلِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ يَوْمَ يَقُومُ الْحِسَابُ. The meaning is, oh Allah, forgive me and my parents and the believers on the day of accounting. Accounting means the day of judgment, on the day of judgment. So first you're telling Allah to forgive yourself, then your parents, then the believers, only the believers. So since I said all of those 3 du'as, enjoy, stay safe from coronavirus, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.